Good morning, Strike Nation. This is Kyle with Strike Visuals. We are here at the Mountain Land Technical College in Lehi, Utah, supporting one of our nonprofit partners, the American Cancer Society, for their Big Dig event. We have a number of different construction companies from around the state here to help support the event. They've brought out all the big, fun, heavy equipment. I'm talking excavators, bulldozers, concrete mixers, fire trucks, you name it, it's here. We take a ton of pride in working with our nonprofit partners, and so when they asked, we delivered on all of their signage, like yard signs and banners for this event. We take a ton of pride with working with them and looking forward to connecting with some of our other partners in the construction and nonprofit industries.
I'm Barnard, and I'm with American Cancer Society. I'm business development here in Utah, and today we are having our Big Dig 2025. This event is amazing. It raises money and awareness for pediatric cancer. We have people from all over the state come and visit us and attend this awesome event. We have construction and other volunteers bring their equipment, and children that are cancer survivors or patients are able to come to this event and be a kid and play on these awesome machines donated by these companies. We are so excited. Strike has been awesome. They provided us a lot of the marketing and tents and all that fun stuff, and we're so grateful.